So if you watched my last video, you know that I made this stool at Aramont last week. This is a milking stool, although I won't be doing any milking with it. It's probably going to be a dog brushing stool. Anyway, it's not finished yet. The top is sanded up to 600, but I need to sand the legs up to 600 as well. So I'm going to sand it to 220 right now. They're not glued together, so I can just pull these out. These mortises were made with a Forster bit and a jig on a drill press, and they're angled at about 10 degrees. I also made this bottom slightly conical to be perpendicular with the angle of the leg going in to the mortise. These tenons were cut with a tenon cutter on the lathe. Made it super easy. It took like 2 minutes to cut these 3 tenons. So this stool is made from curly maple, which is really nice. Has this cool chatoyance in it. So I just have to finish sanding these up to 600 and put some finish on it. I kind of regret not filming this while I was at Aramont, but I didn't want the camera to be in the way. I didn't want it to be distracting to the other students and the instructors. Wow, it sure soaked up the finish pretty quick. This was kiln dried maple, so I'm just gonna let this dry for a while, put another coat on. So this stool turned out really amazing thanks to the curly maple. I don't know if you can see the chatoyance in the top and in the legs. There's a bit of ambrosia color in there too. Unfortunately, it's not likely that I'll be able to make more of these because the mortise and tenons were done with the jig. It took me all of 10 minutes to do thanks to the jigs. So stick around for more maple madness in Cammy's garage.